This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN Live. We are on location in Florida, 2015. I have with me Scott Tudor from Great Water. The symbol is WTII. It's a publicly traded company. Scott, welcome to SNN Live.
Shelley, thank you for having me.
It's good to have you. Now, let's get into it. Give us an overview on the company, if you would.
Well, Great Water, we make water from air. We take the humidity and the vapors that are in the air, and we turn it into pure drinking water, 99.9% pure. Our products range from anywhere from 10 gallons a day to 3,000 gallons a day.
In this world of water shortages, I live in California. I know what I'm talking about. When is your product going to be available?
Well, we're available now. We've been in business for 8 years. We've been public for 4. We went to market after about 6 years of R&D. We make our product here in Florida, in Stewart, so it's 100% U.S. made. And right now, all models are available. We have models, matter of fact, this week going to California, many of them. And California is one of our big call centers right at this point.
So let's get into the science a little bit. How does it work?
Well, it's pretty much like a dehumidifier in steroids. We get different sized machines. We bring in the hot, humid air, cool it down, much like if you go outside and have a glass of water with an ice water in it and it's outside hot, condensation starts on the outside of the glass. That's what we collect it, we clean it, we ozonate it, then pump it into wherever it's going.
But California is a dry heat as opposed to the heat in Florida. Right. How do you get around that?
Well, our machines, we work as much as to about 50% humidity. Anything below that, the water levels go down. They'll still make water. Most of our areas that we're going are overseas, the islands. California, we're now producing a new machine for California with some new technology. We have 3 patents now, 1 patent pending and another one getting ready to go in for this new technology for California, actually.
So it's really clean water. It's not potable, it's drinkable.
It's 99.9% pure. You can operate with it, you can drink it. There's no minerals, vitamins, fluorides, chlorine, anything in the water. It's perfectly clean.
So Scott, this technology sounds very important to me, based on the fact that so many communities are suffering from the lack of drinking water. They talk about the aquifers drying up. Right. They talk about global warming. I mean, what's the size of this market as far as you're concerned?
In my opinion, it's endless. It's not just here in United States, it's worldwide. People in Africa have had water problems for years. Puerto Rico has no water. Panama, I just got a call yesterday from a guy and he's telling me that the animals in the field are dropping dead because they have no water. So it's a worldwide demand. It's getting more advertised since California has no water, so now everybody knows. But it's the opportunities are endless in my opinion.
So let me also ask, 3,000 gallons is a maximum, right?
Well,
or can you obviously you can put 2, 3, 4 machines together.
We can put 2, 3, 4 machines together to come to make as much water as you want. We have a project we've been working on for 3 years with Africa now. They want to build reservoirs, dump the water in, and they're looking at 22 units of 3,000 gallons.
And so what you're saying, it doesn't pay to build a giant unit when you could just have all of these small portable units and move them around, right?
Exactly. You can put them on a truck real easily. You can move them to different locations. It's great for agriculture because you can move them from field to field, or in some of cases you can move them from provinces or cities and town to town. We also have other products. We try to diversify our company as much as possible. We have units about the size of a 40-foot container that actually cleans water with desal, and we also do machines that take wastewater treatment from the sewage plants. We get it down to where it's potable. You can use it for agriculture. We can still bring it down to almost drinkable water.
Where was this developed and who developed this?
Well, the atmospheric water generator has been around for a long time. Like I said, we took it, developed it, found a very great manufacturer here in Stewart, Florida that we work with, and we were able to just keep trying and getting better and better, getting the patents on it, and then we are right now. We've got them all.
What's your background?
just been in business all my life. I went from restaurant business to building cars all my life. I just know how to put things together and make them work.
Scott, give us your website for our audience, please.
Sure, it's www.gr8water.net.
Ladies and gentlemen, Scott Tudor, Great Water. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is WTII. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive on location in Florida, 2015. Scott, thank you so much for coming on.
Shelley, it's been my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
You got it.